Okay, Tom, you just passed your driving test. Congratulations again. Well done. And that was such a great test with zero driving errors. You should be very proud of yourself. Can you tell us what happened during the test? How was the examiner? Was the instruction okay? Was that clear?
Yes, I think the instructions were clear. Everything was laid out well. I didn't feel like I didn't know what I was doing throughout it.
Great. And were you? I remember you mentioned you were nervous before the test, but during the test, how were you nervous?
Extremely. I was nervous throughout, but I can't help that.
Okay. How did you manage to get over your nerves?
Understand that the driving instructor knows what they're doing. There are rules that you have to follow, and if you follow them, everything will be fine.
Perfect. And what questions did the driving examiner ask you at the beginning of the test?
Hazard lights and a high beam.
Perfect. And did you go to highway?
No.
What maneuvers did you do?
Reversing exercise and U-turn.
Okay, great. Any advice for or recommendations for students or learners who are going for a driving test?
Practice all the maneuvers and don't make up the 100 hours, actually drive.
Great. Thank you very much, Tom. All the best.